How's it going, everyone? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys my 350Z drift missile. I don't ever really video this car or showed you guys anything much about it, but the car's been through a lot and I've drove it a lot. So let me just show you the car and tell you guys a little bit about it. So here she is. As you can see, it's not the prettiest car, but it works and it drives really good. I've been driving it for like 8 to 9 months, I think, and just beating it every day and not giving it any breaks. If you've seen the car before in my other video, you would see that everything is pretty much different. So when I originally got it, I had the car for like probably a month or two, and I crashed it and I hit the front on like a guardrail and pretty much smashed the fender, the headlight, and the hood. Then probably like maybe like a month or so after that, my friend ended up spinning out and hitting the quarter panel right here, and it messed up the door and the quarter panel even more than what it was already messed up from when I originally got it back here. Then probably like another month after that, I let a friend drive the car, and he just went crazy and ended up crashing the front end of the car that was already messed up into his own car, and pretty much messed up the front end even more than what it was. So I had to get another hood, bumper, the headlight and stuff that I needed to get, and I repaired the car again. It took a little bit. I just kind of left it. I zip tied it. I don't think I have any pictures. If I have any pictures, I'll put them in so you guys can see it, but it was like really ghetto. Yeah, I don't know, like everything was messed up. Like every body panel on the car had like something. I still need to put a different fender on, but I got everything else pretty much replaced. I put new over fenders on the back because obviously it was dented and it was crashed on the back. I had to put a new bumper. The other bumper, also the bumper, I was driving on 95 and it like fell off one time and it got all scraped up. I also hit like cones and just other stuff in the middle of like tracks and stuff like that, and messed it up even more. Plus tires blowing out, like ripped the sides off, so the bumper was just completely garbage. Same thing with the front. When it went under the guardrail, it was all crashed and ripped apart, so I had to zip tie it, but I don't know, it worked until I fixed it now. Let me tell you a little bit about the car. It's pretty much all stock. It has nothing really done to it. I just put coils in, just cheap making coilovers that I got from my friend, and I just put these Cosmos wheels on the front. It looks alright, I think. I ended up getting a blowout on the other side, and I don't have the other wheel on right now, so that's why it looks like it the way it does. Also, I have the GK Tech like angle adapter, like the mod on the knuckle, and I just installed like the bushings on the lower arm for the GK Tech. I don't know really what it's called, just the bushing I guess for the lower arm with like the pillar ball joint, and just fixed it up pretty much. Yeah, that's pretty much it with the car. I never really showed you guys it really, but I've been driving it a lot, and I have a lot of videos of me drifting it, and I don't know, I'm gonna just post them up right now and you guys tell me what you guys think. It's gonna be all different kinds of days and just different spots, but I have a lot of videos of me driving it, so I wanted to show you guys that, and I don't know, we'll see. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys think about the videos. Thank you.
Bye.